Hello everyone. So this is Sabir. Welcome to my channel Sabir 4224 Spreading Knowledge. So today we are going to learn how to restrict user text and number instead of date. Only date format we can use in the input box. Okay. Other than date, it will be show the message that's text or number not allowed. Only date is allowed. So how we can create this input box or date method? So let's see. So very interesting and important points, important topic today's. So let's we will make a code on this. So without wasting time, I'm jump going to jump in the VBA editor page. So pressing button Alt F11. See, I'm entering the date. So I will declare one variable first. So starting sub example 71, dim as t date, dim t date as date as a variant. We are doing the example under the variant. Previous example also turn in the variant. Okay, good. So going to assign the value for t date. Also input box. What is your message? Please enter date only. Text. Text and numbers not allowed. Okay. Title, I want to give date. Then after default. Yes, I want to give the default message DD YY format. So user can identify this is the date is instructed as a date. Okay, entering. So here I can use one formula, that's if not is date t date, then if not is date t date, then MSG box numbers, text and numbers, text and numbers not allowed. Please enter date only. Okay. Buttons and symbol, we can say VB critical. And titles, I can mention date. Perfect. Oh, bracket is not there, so I need to mention close the bracket. What is exit, sir? And the last final result message, I can show MSC box. You have selected the date date buttons buttons as VBA message box style, VBA information sign. So I have given the symbol that VBA information sign. Title, I can say result. You can take whatever your choice. I'm taking as per examples only. You can take anything in the result, in the message box. That's mandatory, but you have to create in your own language. Okay. Let's see, all done. We can run this code. So going to press C. Date, please enter date only. Text and number not allowed. Okay. Only I have to be mentioned date here. If instead of date, if I'm using the text, then what will it show? Let's see. See, text and numbers not allowed. Please enter date only. Okay. Going to run again. And user by mistakenly trying to enter the number. Pressing OK. Text and number not allowed. Please enter date only. Perfect. And I'm going to finally entering the date. I can mention here what I mentioned. Anything, any date. 5, 3, 2024. Okay. Yes. Result will be information sign. You have selected 5 March 503 2024 and date. This is a date, but in the date and that's text date, we need to give the one space there. Okay. How can you can see here, I can show you. See, this is not in the good order because that space is not there. How we can add the space? So simply we will click on OK and we will go in the editor page, and here I can keep the one space only. Okay. Again, I want to run this code. I have placed the save. So taking time. No problem. Okay. So going to run this code and pressing 5. If I'm using the month in the text format, let's see it will take or no. 2024 and pressing OK. Yes, it's taking. We have selected 5 March 2024. That's the date. Space is added there. If you see here, space is added between year and date, right? So perfect. It is working. So you guys also can try this code and do the practice on it. So we'll get the better clarification on this. Okay, so we can continue write the second code. So we can see in this code how we can allow the direct number in the input box. Okay, so let's see how we can do the as much as easier in this code. Okay, so example 72. I will declare one variable, that's num dim I can say declare in memory. I'm going to take num as a variant. Okay. Now let's adjust this window. So num equal to input box please enter number, please enter number format. This is shipping the double quote format because this is a text. Then after that's title user form. Okay. Good. Okay, so this is the input box. We used this in the previous example also. Here I can add something new in the input box. That's inbuilt state or method. Application dot input box. Okay, and here I can add type. Hyphen equal to 1. where I had the mistake here. Oh, I forget to common text of num equal to 1. So that's num. Then after I will add here MSG box. MSG box, you enter concatenate and taking the num and value. Okay, concatenate. You have enter num and you can mention numbers. Then after I will add VB information sign. Title I can give information. Okay, perfect. So but close bracket is not required. Pressing the Ctrl S to save this code. Okay, now going to run. Oh, so input wrap in the panel. So here I can mention as a text first. And let's see. Number is not valid. That simple message will show number is not valid. So means it is taking only number. Text date, I guess. You have enter number. Okay. So date is considering in the number. That's in every date still can considered as a number. Every number is still will considered as a date. Only format will matter. Okay. If you're changing the any numbers format into date, so it will reflect in the date format. Okay. So again going to run this and mentioning the number here. Okay, you have entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and numbers. Here also we forget to give the one space, so I will one space here. Going to run this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Yeah, enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number. Okay. Fine. So that's good, guys. You can also do the practice on this. So it will be easy to understanding the code method or procedure. Okay. We will move to next level as well. Huge coding or long coding format. So basic should be clear. So I'm going to take the example basic level. Once we go on the next level, we should to be prepare or we should to remember this coding method and coding format. Okay. That's the reason I'm taking the simple example first. Then next level, if you start the complex or dynamic coding. So basic should be clear. Okay. So that's the reason I'm asking. Let's do the practice, and on practice on daily basis. So it will easily we can understand this procedure, coding procedure. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Soon we will meet in the next video, in next session. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.